Alright, here we are back with Miss Gray, the White Phoenix from the 2018 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive Marvel Gallery. We're just going over and cleaning all these up. I don't think this one is particularly dirty. I don't know if y'all can really see that. This one's not too bad. I don't really know how. Some got dusty and some did not. Whatever. So we're going over, just to go over the process, knock off all of the big stuff with the big brush, nice and soft. And go over with the littler brush to do a little bit more detail work. Follow that up with Q-tips, and that is just distilled water in a fancy spray bottle from IK. And if I need to, I have a clean, just regular microfiber towel to follow all that up with. So, I mean, it's just going to be awkward. Do I need your permission? I have to clean these things off here. I gotta dust your boobs. Alright, I'm an idiot. So, just knock all the big crap off of this thing. Anything, try to get into like areas back here if I can, but I've got the smaller brush to do just that. Again, this is just for the bigger dusty bits. So pretty straightforward. We move on to the smaller ones so we can go a little bit deeper. There is a little bit of separation between like the arm and the back of the head, the back of the hair, that I can try to get into if I can. I don't know if y'all can really see the brush going into there and coming through. Boobs. I don't know how to make this not awkward, so it is what it is. Get into like this area here if y'all can see that. This could be holding on to any kind of dirt or dust or whatever. Clean off the boots. Clean off the booties. Into like this space right here, the crease of the back of her leg. And then down into like this area. So try to clean off all of the veins on the stand. And then we follow that up with just a little bit of distilled plain water, no cleaners, and get into some of the creases and see if there's any extra kind of dirt or any extra kind of dust. You can go a lot further back into where that little bit of separation is in here, to try to clean this out underneath her hair. Again, just any spot that might hold on to something. Her hands, that crease of her leg, you can kind of dig further into. Little bends in the ribbons off of her belt, down into that space, if y'all could see that. And then that's pretty much it. Get all of the veins on the stand. Get all the separations of the wings of the phoenix that's part of her stand. And then we inspect. So it's a little bit dingy. It picked up a little bit. It's not bad. So, and then we follow that up with the little brush. All I'm using the little brush for is to help dry those spots off that I had to use the water on to clean into some of these spaces. It's just distilled water. It is not anything to necessarily worry about. It is a 0 parts per million type of deal, so there should be nothing left behind, but I still don't take that chance. But just getting this nice and dry. I could use the microfiber towel for this part, but the microfiber towel is not as precise as the brush would be. Ooh, excuse me. And that is it. White Phoenix, Miss Gray. She is clean. See y'all on the next one. Later.